What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some ham and cheese omelets. They're going to be excellent, baby. So let's get it started, shall we? Yeah. That's right, baby, the ham and cheese omelet. A scrumptious little breakfast dish that's going to be delish for you and me both. So, first thing we're going to do today is get our eggs broken up, boy. Now, I'm using 6 eggs today because I want a big old omelet this morning. I want Big Bird himself's egg to fry in my pan. So, I went ahead and took my eggs, broke them up, put them in the beer mug, and mixed them around with that old fork until they get that good consistency, looking like orange juice. But once again, don't drink it, baby. Stay out of it. So, we've got our pan real hot, and what we're going to do is add a little bit of oil here. And why we're doing that is because we don't want the egg to stick to the bottom. When you're making an omelet, your goal is to try to get most of it to stay together. So, a little oil in the bottom will make it slick as hell, like Vin Diesel's tires from the Fast and Furious one. We getting fast tonight. So, let that go in there. Let that oil heat up, and like I said, just enough to coat the bottom. And once our oil is hot and we're ready to try it, we're going to let the eggs flop on in, baby. Pour it right in out the beer mug. And here it's sizzle boil. That's right. Now, this shit is going to cook fast. And when you're saying to yourself, like, oh, how fast is fast? It's going to be faster than a road runner on a motorcycle at the Daytona 500, boy. So you got to watch it. You got to watch it. You got to watch it. And right now, like I said, right away, boy, we're ready to take some of this ham that we got diced up. And this is just some budding lunch meat that I got, real cheapy stuff. But it's good. It's going to give it that good ham flavor. It's going to be like a ham and cheese sandwich with some egg in there. So let's sprinkle a little bit of that ham in there on top. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. And move right to the cheese, baby. Right to the cheese. No time to waste, no time to waste. Big heaping helping of cheese. Keep you blocked up. So, we're going to put some more cheese on there because everybody loves it cheesy, baby. Yeah. And let it go. And like I said, it won't take long. You go ahead and kind of go around the corners there and make sure that it's not sticking. Everything's working out good. And you think, you want to add a little more ham to it, go ahead. I'm going to. Because it's going to make it good. Good stuff, good stuff. A little more cheese to it. Matter of fact, all the cheese. I want all the cheese. Good shit. Now, we are ready to flip, baby. You want to do this real careful. And if you want to, you can go and get help. You can get a little dual action on there, baby. Because we got a pickle some bitch tonight. So, we're going to take this thing in here. We're going to take this thing in here. And we're going to flip just like that, baby. Just like a big old sandwich. And it looks good. Kind of pull it towards the middle. Push around on a little bit. Help it form, baby. Help it form. Say, good morning. Good morning. It's good to see you, baby. Yes, very cheesy, very hammy, baby. I love it, I love it, I love it. But it's not complete yet. We're going to go ahead and pull this out, and we're going to put some salsa right on top, baby. Give it a good texture, good flavor, vegetable in there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I also want a little spice. And when I'm looking for a little spice and a little something nice, I am going to reach for the Wiri's original pepper sauce, baby. Love it so much. I got it right here on my shirt. You see that? This is some good stuff. Made with the finest Wiri peppers from them boys up there in Ontario, Toronto, Canada. I'm going to put the link to their good sauce down in my description. Make sure I get you a bottle or two, baby, because it's delicious, nutritious, and it's just lovely, lovely, lovely. So, we are going to put a little salsa. We're going to put a little hot sauce, and we're going to get it all ready to eat. But first, let's stand back at the light and look at them eggs, omelets, ham, cheese, and all those wonderful things tonight. Ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The ham and egg and cheese omelet is done. And I'm having the first bite. Just for little old me. Ooh, look at that ham and cheese. I want some, if you please. Mmm. 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 That is extra cheese, baby. Mmm. I love it. Mmm. 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 And that Wiri's really gives it that nice kick that I want. Takes it up a notch. Like old, what's his face used to say? Never you mind. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time, baby. Excuse me.